I got 88 million views on one of my shorts, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. I'm going to show you the whole process on what worked, how I replicated it, and then I'll also show you how the second version only got like 4 million views and why it didn't blow up. And I'm going to be doing this for two reasons. One, I want to help you guys develop your own style, your own storytelling process. And two, I want to help myself by reinforcing my own process and continuing to grow by doing what actually works. So let's get right into it. All right, now that the hook is done, it's so much easier. All right, so this is the video that got me 89.5 million views. And look, even if you look at the real time, it's still getting every 48 hours about 1.3 million views. And I want to show you something else about this video. When you look at the chart, this chart was very steady for a very long time. Look, I released this video in like, I don't know, the end of February. So it's been months now. But this goes to show that you can have that one video that just takes off like almost forever. Now, it gets a very steady uptrend. And then out of nowhere, on October 27th, around that area, it just blew up like twice the speed of what it normally was. Now, I know what regular YouTube videos, like long format, that's kind of how it works from my knowledge. I'm always a shorts guy. I was always like a TikTok person. I just started on YouTube. But I want to show you, if it's on a steady uptrend, I've noticed that with a bunch of my videos, they tend to pop out again. So just keep an eye on it. Now look, yeah, we made $8,600 on this video. I mean, bro, it's 90 million views. You would think it'd be more than that, but it's all right. Also, 14 million of those views, we were not monetized for, so we didn't even get paid for that. And look at this, it's still being pushed on the shorts, 91.5. It's not like it's a searchable video where it's coming up in search more. And before we go further, I'll show you the other video that I replicated this with, and then we'll compare them. So let's pull that up. This is the other video. So this one's at almost 5 million views. And right now this gets about 137,000 every 2 days. Just even comparing the thumbnail. Nah, you can't go by the thumbnail. You can't go by the thumbnail. It's a YouTube short. Thumbnails aren't super important for YouTube shorts. Kind of is. But the percentage wise, it might be like 0.1% important. Let's play the video. It's a 41-second video. Just watch the video.
Aiden.
Yeah?
Can I play Roblox with you? He's lying. You don't have room for one more? Okay. Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna go to the store. Do you want anything? Alright, I'm gonna go grab some milk.
All right, so let's go over it. So I released this video multiple times on TikTok when you were allowed to. Now you're not allowed to, so please don't do that. And that's how I started developing the hook. At first, we started the video right here. Without
Aiden.
Now, the problem is there was no curiosity. It was just the would you play with dad, and I guess that wasn't enough. So what I did was I took the end of the video, like a Mr. B style, because Aiden improvised that. He improvised a wait what? And that's what sparked the curiosity. So I put that in the beginning. I should have taken it out of the end. I should have made it like a loopable video, but I didn't do that. So I put it at the end. Now, that still didn't work. Why? I guess people were kind of getting lost in the story. It didn't make sense to them. So here's what I had to add. Wait, what? Earlier. I'm not kidding. That one word is what made this go from a 1,000 view video to tens of millions of views on every platform. Just because it got 90 million views on YouTube, it got 10 million on TikTok and 10 million on Instagram and a couple million on Facebook. So we got the beginning. We got the curiosity. We got the title to show the progression. Now we improvise all of our skits. We notice because we're not like amazing actors. So that's just what works for us. It might not work for you. You might have better, you could remember lines a lot better than I can. In the videos that we were starting to do, we wanted to hit three things. We wanted to have something ironic, which in this case was this dad wanting to play with the son, but the son doesn't want to play with the dad. So that was the irony. The second one we wanted to put was some type of lie or fib that was in the video. So now Not all of you guys know about Roblox, but the game he's playing can support like 15 or 20 players. He says it only can play with 5 friends. That was a lie. And if you look at the comments, the funny part is people are like, oh, it's staged. Of course it's staged. What do you think? I'm just walking in with my camera and it's not staged? This is it's a skit. But these skits are based off of real things and real feelings that, you know, I guess I have in my chest or something. Here it is. Here's one. It's the strongest battleground. It is not a 4-player or 5-player. It can be 18 or 20, whatever. There was a bunch of comments like that. I mean, this video got like 48,000 comments, so it's hard to like go through it. But that was the second thing. Now, the third thing was, even though the irony was kind of like a sad feeling, you know, at first it wasn't as sad as this video made it. So I wanted to end it with something that was like funny. And I remembered when I was picking up my son when he was playing with his friends, they were talking about the dad. They were talking about me going to get the milk or something. And I'm like, yo, that's like something that was like when I was younger, like we would say as a joke. I realized it was starting to trend. So I was like, all right, let me throw something like that in there. All right. So I was like, all right, I needed to get there. So I was like, oh, do you want anything from the store? And I'm hoping that Aiden understands. Please tell me you want something from the store that requires milk. And he did not let me down. He said mac and cheese. I was so happy because, you know, we try to do these on the first take, maybe 2 takes. We don't want to go too much because it doesn't feel good.
I'm gonna go grab some milk.
I'm going to go grab the milk. Now, we aimed for 3, and I'll be honest, if it wasn't for Aiden, this video probably wouldn't have taken off like this. Aiden improvised these last words. And I'm not even kidding. Just changed everything, because now I took that, used that as the hook to reel them in. It became, to me, this was a masterpiece. I will show you, before I move on, I will show you one of the flaws that this video has, a couple of flaws, so we could learn from it, because no video is perfect, right? So right here, I learned this on Facebook because Facebook showed me the retention, which all of them do. All of them showed me the retention, but none of the graphs showed it like this. At this point, I lost a lot of viewers, even though YouTube and TikTok don't show it. They thought that was the end of the video. And it makes sense looking back at it now. It was too much.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. This whole thing, that's like 3 seconds of closing the door and ending. So people didn't even get to see the rest of it. So note that I am going to take that out and I'm going to re-upload it. You bet your ass I am. Now, why else did this video do so well? Well, I have another idea how I can show you guys. A well-known YouTuber known as Creekcraft reacted to this video. Now, guys, this is very important. We're learning here. So I'm going to play the video. It's 56 seconds long. Let's watch the video.
Oh, this is a real life one. Okay. What? Earlier. Okay.
Aiden.
Look, he read the words earlier. That triggered in his brain. Okay, he knows.
Aiden.
Oh, I love that curtain. That's awesome.
The colors on the curtains. I don't think it's actually Spider-Man. I mean, Spider-Man's an awesome figure. I think there's Spider-Man's colors in general. Like, look at all the colors on this video. Creekcraft uses the green screen in the background because it's eye-catching. It's eye candy, I call it. This is all eye candy. Look at this. We have the Naruto, which is the orange. The walls, which are blue. The red and blue seats. His computer lights. And then the red and blue curtains. Right now, we're in the process of bringing back his room because we actually moved his stuff down here. That was a bad mistake. So we're going through a whole new transformation.
Can I play Roblox with you?
No, sorry. It's a 4-player. I mean, a 5-player.
He's lying.
You don't have
Been there, done that. He's lying.
for one more?
I do, but we're waiting for my other friend.
He's lying.
Okay.
He's a Roblox player. He can't have more than 4 friends.
All right, thank you though.
Man, that's sad.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the store. Do you want anything?
Yeah, can you give me some mac and cheese?
All right, I'm gonna go.
Mac
grab
and
some
cheese.
milk.
Oh my God, bro! Dude, he said I was gonna go get the milk. Oh my God, that's why you always play Roblox with your parents, guys. Oh, this is
So that because he finished the whole video, he got to the end. Now, Creecraft was just going through shorts, and at first they were all just regular with their Roblox characters, you know, in the game. This was the first real, I guess, in real life one, because he was like, oh, real life one. So that was another thing that made it, I guess, a little bit different. But again, let's just do a recap. So we got all the colors that are in the room. People even realize that this picture right here on the door is Five Nights at Freddy. I have no clue how you guys did that. That was crazy.
It's a real life one. Okay.
That was crazy. So yeah, we got the colors, we got him lying, we got the irony in the video, we have the curiosity in the beginning of the video, and then we have it loopable. And the loopable was actually, even though it wasn't a perfect loop by far, but if you look at the likes on TikTok, you'll notice that 60% of the likes were in the first second of the video. Now, no one's going to just watch the video and hit the like. No, they're watching the full video, and then when it replays, they're hitting the like button. That was like, this was like, I should be studying this video. I don't know why I'm not studying this video. Okay, now, let's compare it to the final video that I'm going to have you guys watch. Again, 40 seconds, almost the same exact script, word for word. We changed it up a little bit because we wanted to move away from the Roblox a little bit. We wanted to start branching out to multiple platforms. So we did a Minecraft version of it, and it worked. I mean, we got 5 million views on it. But I'll show you how this could have blew up more.
No, this again! No!
Aiden, I'm home. You ready to play some Roblox?
No,
Really?
because I'm not playing Roblox.
What are you playing?
What do you think? Minecraft.
It's multiplayer, right?
Nuh-uh, not this world.
So let me I'll hop on. We'll run a couple games.
No,
Why not?
because I said so, and also, I don't want to play with you.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go to the store then. Do you want anything?
No.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go get the milk.
What? No, this again! No!
All right. The beginning is, in case you didn't hear it.
No, this again! No!
He said, no, not this again. Meaning like the same, like the video. I changed it to fish, thinking it was a smart idea. So stupid. Because we were Roblox players and we played this game Fish. I should not have done that. Also, this room. Why is my compressor line on the table? We put the MacBook there. We put some lemons there. We put these things there. The walls are washed out. The room does not look good. The room does not look good. Oh, let me back up. One of the most important things also, this did well. Is if you look down here, my camera might be blocking it. Right down here, it says part 1. I don't want to say it's like, we did make a part 2, nowhere near as good as the video. But that part 1 is what really made people follow us. So, you know, I tried to follow that same strategy with this. So I put part 2, and then I was like, I'm all over the place now. Look, I'm putting part 2 of 3 down here because like I wanted to follow the same concept, but the video was already out. I was all over I was like hurting. I'm like, yo, I put this video out and now I'm just trying to make this video work. But again, the room is not the same. The colors aren't eye-catchy. You know, with a Minecraft, maybe this background would have done a little bit better because the kids are slightly older. And even like younger adults play Minecraft. But 2, notice how on all of them I do the branding. I did do the branding. I stopped doing that. He didn't do anything with the reference like I'm gonna go to the store. He said no. I'm like, Aiden, what do you mean no? You're supposed to. But we were rushing it. We were definitely rushing it. However, it still got a good average watch time. Actually, I'm actually really curious. That washed out look might not have been that bad because the people watching this, I think, are a little bit older. The average watch time is actually 37 seconds. So It's actually more than the other one. But look at this. Stayed to watch 82%. This is like huge. If you get a video to 80% plus, it's probably going viral, especially if it's, and I mean at 80% plus when it's like a 40-second video. Because again, you want your average watch time to be over 30 seconds for YouTube to push you. This is the retention graph down here. So once we got 10 seconds in, that's where it all kind of flatlined out. No one really fell off. So even though I'm judging this video pretty hard, no one really fell off. 93% average viewed. But I mean, that includes the people watching it more than once. And if we compare it to this one, 81% stayed to watch it. And this chart is just the same, 92. It's look, like, obviously it's the formula, right? I don't want to be like, it's got to be. They're both 40-second videos, same exact style videos. I'm doing reactions to the videos. 93%, 37, 82, 92, 36. We're off by 1% on everything. The style works. So that pretty much sums up the entire video. If you guys liked it, please hit that thumbs up button and add hype if you can. It really helps out the small content creators. I'm trying to grow still too, so hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. I'm Anthony Frank, and I'm over and out.